find that interesting, check this out. This is the brand new product that we are presenting here today in Cersaie 2021. We're talking about a laminated glass panel composed by 2 panels, 4 millimeters each, and a digital printed sheet in between for a total thickness of 8.7 millimeters. This is a panel that can goes up to a maximum size of 1.48 by 3 meters and can always be customizable both in sizes and the design. So this is something very flexible, especially for commercial projects like hotel, restaurants or cafe, where this product also has all the certifications needed for these particular projects. We are talking about Class A rate certifications or certifications for the nautical sector. Check out this new design. So these are some collections that we are presenting here today, this week of Cersaie 2021. Some collections focus on fossils or a particular type of precious stones. This is a nice Nautilus, for example. And what we are trying to do with this material is to keep our high definition also for this one. So this is a product that can be customized and can be made on demand based on every specific project, like all the other products that we have. But this is also something that can be stocked. So this is a new product for us. It will, I think, open a new chapter for our company. It is an interesting material. It's just 20 kilograms per square meter for a total thickness of 8.7. Let me give you a present. So this is a nice glass case where basically we can put our A3 sample. So I'd like to give it to you, and thanks so much for passing by and having a safe trip home. Cheers.